I wanted to see if Freebeat could actually solve one of the most annoying parts of making music content, turning a finished song into visuals that don't feel completely random. Because making a music video normally means finding footage, editing it to the beat, adding effects, and then spending way too long trying to make everything feel like it belongs together. So I gave Freebeat a real song and let it do the heavy lifting. The first thing that caught my attention was how quickly you can go from having just a track to having something visual to work with. Instead of opening an empty timeline and figuring everything out manually, you can start with the music itself and build the visuals around it. For musicians, YouTubers, DJs, and creators making shorts, that's a pretty interesting workflow. What I wanted to know was whether the visuals actually react to the music, or whether it's basically just a slideshow with some fancy effects. And that's an important difference. If the cuts, movement, and overall energy feel connected to the track, the video immediately becomes more engaging. If everything is happening randomly, you notice it pretty quickly. And this is where I think Freebeat can be useful. It gives you a starting point without making you build every single scene yourself. You can experiment with different visual directions and get something on screen much faster than doing the whole process manually. But I wouldn't expect one click to produce a perfect music video every time. Some visuals may fit the song really well, while others might make you think, yeah, I probably wouldn't use that. And that's completely fine. I'd rather have 10 usable ideas to choose from than spend an hour creating one version from scratch. The other thing I'd pay attention to is consistency. A good music video isn't just a collection of cool AI clips. The visuals need to match the mood of the song, and ideally, the viewer should feel like the video was designed around the music instead of generated separately from it. That's why I think the best way to use Freebeat is as a creative accelerator. Let it handle the repetitive part, then you decide which moments actually deserve to stay. If you're a musician without a video production team, that could be a pretty big advantage. And if you're using the result commercially, especially for a client or monetized channel, I'd also check the current licensing and usage terms before publishing. That's one of those boring details that matters a lot later. So, can Freebeat make a music video in minutes? It can definitely get you much closer to one in a fraction of the usual time. You may still want to tweak the final result, but that's very different from starting with nothing. Now I'm curious, if you could turn any song into an AI music video, what song would you choose? Comment below and tell me the song you'd try first.